Well, I finally got him in the truck, and so he's ready. He's looking everywhere. He's all excited, and he's trying to figure out where he is and where he's going. And this is completely new for him. It's unimaginable that one can't even imagine. I mean, seriously, he is just like excited. In a way, he's also like, where am I? He's trying to see what he can do, but I was glad that I had a good setup for him. I got a carpet on the bottom, and I think he's pretty set there, and that's not bad at all. I think he's doing really great so far. He's not really nervous or panicked, but I tell you, he's old. I would say he's probably in the 60s and 70s. I mean, counting those 14, 15 years. But he's doing pretty good. I like that. Got the windows open, nice weather. I think he's gonna do great. So let me cut short, get back to you guys. Thanks, and stay tuned. Good morning, Jitsu. It's in the morning. How did you sleep? Did you sleep? You woke me up 3 times in the night, you know that? Don't be shy. It gets cold sometimes, but Daddy will keep you warm. Don't worry, baby. You got all that fur on your skin. You should be okay. But it looks like you are territorial. Now it's your territory. Oh, you're still sleepy, huh? Don't worry, when we go home, you go back to your mattress, and I go back to my own mattress. And we all sleep. Oh well. We still have 3.5 more hours to go. And we gotta finish up and move on. So it's cold, and we have to watch out for black ice. Everybody's napping out. Some of them left. The guy left of me left. The guy on my right, he left. And I'm just warming up the engine now. I shut it off for like 3 hours, and it started to get cold. All right, so probably gonna walk all the way there, but it's cold. I think it's like 20 degrees. Let me see. Yeah, it's 33 degrees. Okay, let's get ready. Hello everyone, good morning. Today is Saturday. I don't even remember if this was part 1 or part 2, but it is what it is. Can't leave my hat without it. Guess who's up here? Aren't you so beautiful, boy? You slept with Daddy up here? Huh? You miss you, Master? Yeah, for many years we've been away, but now we're